Good morning. Right, today's job I'm going to fit the Maxxfan fan. So I've had to turn the van around just because there wasn't enough room to get the ladder up. So the van's all been turned. Just gives me a little bit more room to get the ladder up onto the roof. So what we've got, I've got the Max Dome. It's a plus because it comes with, I've got the light, you've got the fan itself, then it looks like it's got the cylinder shape to go up from the fan up to the roof. I think that's kind of if you're putting it on the side of the van, maybe keep some bugs, leaves out, not too sure. And then I've got an adapter plate that's got the cutouts for the ribs on the roof. That's from North Devon Campers, so they're good. They sent it out. I think I ordered it and it was out by the next day. So that will go on the roof. Fan sits on top of that. The cone will go through the roof to the light and then fit the light. It also comes with the fitting guide, so that might be handy. I think it just tells you the procedure to do it in. Yeah, that should be fine. Some fitting kit and a manual. Okay, so we'll get up on the roof and then we'll have a look to see where it's going to go. Let's just climb up. Okay. So the space I've left for it is going to be, it's going to go here, so it's going to go over that rib, sit quite close to the solar panel, but it works for my shower inside. I was going to go in the middle of the two ribs, but it just means it's quite tight for the shower room. So it's going to sit there. I'll get the adapter plate and show you. So that's the adapter plate, and then it's going to go somewhere like that. All right, that's the template put on the roof. I've masked up around the area that way. Hopefully I won't scratch up the paintwork. Kind of learned by my mistake on the first, when I put on the Max Air fan, scratched the paintwork a little bit on the roof, but that's all right. That's been sorted. So I'll show you. So I've sheeted up the van, protected the sides. That's a template. There's my cut lines. Let's give it a go. Like the bluntest bloody. Bear with me. Even doubt, get the big one out. That's all that needs to be to get the jigsaw in. I'll cut around that. That's a hole cut for now to get my jigsaw blade into, and then we'll cut that out. One little issue with that is where I'm cutting the hole is really close to the solar panel, so I can't get the jigsaw in any closer to cut that last little bit out. So I think I'm just going to have to get a hand saw to see if I can just cut that last bit. Alright, so actually that was easier, just using some tin snips, just to snip round where it was close to the solar panel and I couldn't get the jigsaw in. It's done okay. I'll go around with a file and just tidy up the edges, and then I'll prime the bare metal. I'll just file this down. I've sheeted up inside, so hopefully that will catch all of the stuff falling down. Okay, do a quick test fit. And that should sit right like that. And then that will drop down. Voila! Done. Right, let's have a tidy up and then we'll key it up for the adapter plate, and we'll prime both. We'll prime the bottom of the adapter plate and we'll prime the metal. Just helps the sticker adhere to both. I believe this plastic isn't very good for the sticker to adhere to. Right, there are the holes drilled through the bracket, and I've done like a little plate for underneath, a little wooden plate. So now what I'm going to do, just key up where the bonding's going to go. Same with the plate, give that a key up underneath. Okay, I've primed the adapter plate and I've primed the roof. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sticker on the adapter plate and on the roof, and then screw down the Max dome. I've made a wooden like washer underneath, so the screws will go through, clamp on the wood, and then it'll pull it nice and tight. I can show you that when I've done. I'll go back in the van and get that recorded. So that's it's all primed. Let's put the sticker on and get it mounted. Right, this is going to be fun because I've only got one wipe left to clean up all the silicone, and you know, silicone makes a right mess. So let's see what we can do with one wipe. See what we can do with this. Yeah, there was no way I was going to clean it with one wipe left, so I had to shoot out and get another pack. So let's give this a go. Okay, and that's the fan from inside the vehicle. I've screwed through to the timber, so that's pulled it up nice and tight. It's just waiting now for the shower to go in, and then I can fit the light to it. Okay, I think I'll leave the video here. Next week, gonna crack on with putting up the ceiling. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and check out next week's video. And like and subscribe, it helps me out loads. Thanks.